Introducing the fireCable Plus adapter for Firestick, a convenient solution to power your Amazon Fire TV stick directly from your TV's USB port. This adapter eliminates the need for an AC outlet, reducing clutter and keeping your setup clean and organized. Say goodbye to tangled wires and enjoy a seamless streaming experience with this simple, space-saving accessory. Introducing the HDMI media player, a compact and powerful device for enjoying your favorite media in full 1080p HD. This sleek black mini player supports a wide range of formats, including MKV and RM, and is compatible with HDD USB drives and SD cards. Perfect for streaming videos, movies, and photos, it's an ideal solution for turning any screen into a multimedia hub. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for home entertainment or on-the-go use. Introducing the Roku Streaming Stick 4K, your portable gateway to stunning 4K, HDR, and Dolby Vision entertainment. This compact device plugs directly into your TV, offering access to a vast library of free and live TV channels, along with all your favorite streaming services. With the included Roku voice remote, you can easily search and control your content with just your voice. Enjoy a powerful, high-definition streaming experience wherever you go with the Roku Streaming Stick 4K. Introducing the TiVo Edge for Cable, the ultimate 4K UHD media player that combines cable TV, DVR, and streaming in one powerful device. With support for Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos, you'll experience stunning picture quality and immersive sound. Enjoy seamless access to your favorite cable channels, record shows with the built-in DVR, and stream from popular services, all in one place. The TiVo Edge brings unparalleled entertainment to your home, with everything you love just a click away.